Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can stake Avax on Avax Wallet. It's quite easy to get this done. All you need to do is simply open up your Avax Wallet. The link to this wallet would be in the description of this video, as this is a web wallet, I have to mention. And once you're logged in, once you're on your Avax Wallet, in order to stake, you're going to have to deposit your AVAX tokens on the C chain. Now, the reason you're using the C chain is because most EVM wallets make use of the C chain. And once you've copied your C chain address, simply deposit your AVAX tokens here. And with that deposit done, in order to stake, you're going to have to transfer from your C chain to your P chain. And to do this, simply click on the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on it, click on cross chain. So we're going to be moving our assets, that's the AVAX, from our C chain to our P chain, where we can simply delegate and stake our crypto. Now simply scroll down, and where we have source, click on the X chain and select C chain. Once you've done this, our destination is the P chain. Click on max, or you could manually enter the amount you wish to send, and simply click on confirm. Now once you've clicked on confirm, the transfer would then be done, and you'd have your token sent over from your C chain to the P chain itself. Once the export is done, all you need to do is head back to the portfolio to view your balance. Okay, and the transfer has been done. Funds have been transferred between chains. So now, in order to stake this AVAX we've just transferred, scroll up, click on the hamburger icon at the top right, click on earn, that's the earn feature, click on earn, scroll down, and in order to delegate, which is basically to stake, you're going to have at least 25 AVAX on your wallet. So you're going to have a good amount of the AVAX on your wallet, that's on the P chain, before you can become a delegator. So by simply delegating, you get to stake your assets for some time, and the profits you make from it, you could simply compound the interest and keep on staking till you're done delegating or you're done earning. And you can claim your rewards here. You can claim all of your rewards. When you click on view rewards, you can find them here on any of the chains. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.